We have a roadside rescue this week. I saw this little guy at the side of the road and figured he needed a little refresh. Let's see how it turns out. Hello everybody!
Hi everyone!
So this week, just a quick little project, that roadside rescue. Actually, it wasn't as quick as I'd hoped. It took a while to strip all that paint off and sand it and try to get the nooks and crannies. Did the best I could, and it came out pretty well.
It turned out great. It turned out great.
So, I mean, I saw the potential in the piece when I'm on the side of the road there. So, it's made really well. It's a solid wood piece, good construction. I'm not sure what we're going to do with it now. We don't really have. Do you have room for it anywhere in the house?
I don't know. I
Fair
don't know,
enough.
but it was a cool roadside rescue. I normally have thoughts for pieces like that. I know sometimes people are looking for pieces, and we like to just give pieces to people that, you know, may want.
It'll find a home.
Yeah.
Either way, it'll find a home.
Of course it will. So, I had a lovely surprise of that. It was going to be done probably tomorrow, but I went.
You went to the movies with my mom.
I did, and I had
Nice.
a great time watching the movie. We saw the Barbie movie. Really cool, really great. Not sponsored, just really loved that. Really loved it. And we had a lovely lunch, and I come back and the table's done. So that was a really nice surprise, and it turned out great. It really did.
Came out well, yeah.
Yeah.
So a little elbow grease and a little time, but worthwhile. Yeah.
I have to say, I didn't see you doing it, so I don't know. So whew, I escaped
I
that one.
could be making it all up.
He had a crew. He had a crew doing that. Like, woo, that was hard work. No.
I should think of that for next time. Anyway, so thanks for joining us.
Yeah.
Not a big exciting project, but
It was great for me. I didn't have to touch anything. It was awesome.
I'm glad you
But-
enjoyed it. Good.
Yeah. So we have some fun projects coming up. We'll tell you that we're going to be doing our bathroom soon. Our
Oh, the
master
small.
bedroom bathroom.
Yeah.
It's a small, like half bath. We're going to be doing that soon, but we have a lot of specialty things ordered. It's going to take a while, so that's coming. But when everything comes in, it'll be whatever that video is coming up when we can accomplish
All right.
it. So we'll actually show the video when the whole room is done. It's a very small room, so it should be done. We're very excited to do that. We've been wanting to do it for a while, but in between, we have other things that we'll probably, because we keep a schedule of what we'd like to be doing, so we may have to move things around, but we will be accomplishing some good stuff. Sometimes
Yeah.
it's a small project like the table, sometimes it's a bigger project, but nothing too big in August, as we already told you, but there'll be some good projects coming up.
Yeah.
So I hope you're enjoying the weather and you had a beautiful day like we did today, and hope you enjoy the project that Paul did all by himself. Thanks for
joining us.
watching.